I'm delighted to see your interest in artificial intelligence, and I'm here to provide you with an excellent introduction. And I'm R.R. Jananya, a sixth grader from Frontline Newton International School. Today, I'm going to speak on the topic AI Ethics Unveiled Crafting Virtuous Future. Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, is a fascinating and rapidly evolving field of technology that captivates the mind of both young and old. At its core, AI seeks to make computer systems and machines smart by enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Imagine a world where computers can think, learn, and make decisions as much we do. That's the world of AI. AI is all around us, from the voice activated assistants from our smartphones to the algorithms that suggest movies we might enjoy watching. AI also powers self driving cars and help doctors to diagnose diseases, and also plays games like chess and go at a superhuman level. So, I welcome to this magnificent realm of technology where the possibilities are truly limitless. Today, I am going to cover all these contents in my lecture. What is AI? Introduction to AI ethics, benefits of AI, ethical principles in AI, bias and fairness in AI, AI and privacy, AI in healthcare, AI and employment, ethical AI development, AI in education, and ethical considerations, and conclusion. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines or computer systems smart by enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem solving, understanding natural language, identifying patterns, and make decisions. Tasks of AI: the problem solving, learning, natural language processing, computer vision, speech recognition, robotics, and recommendation systems. Problem solving: AI can solve complex problems and make decisions by processing large amount of data and can identify the patterns. The next one is learning. AI can learn from data and improve their performance over time. Machine learning and deep learning are subfields of AI. The next one is natural language processing. AI can understand and generate human language, enabling applications like language translation. The next one is computer vision. AI can analyze the visual information like audios or videos, enabling applications like facial recognition, object detection, and autonomous vehicles. The next one is speech recognition. AI can convert spoken language into text or commands, enabling voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. The next one is robotics. AI is used in robotics to make them to perform tasks in the physical world. The next one is recommendation systems. AI is used in recommendation systems to analyze the user preferences and behaviors as seen in the platforms like Netflix and Amazon. The next one is humanoid robot. Sophia is indeed a humanoid robot developed by Hansen Robotics. It gathered worldwide attention for its human-like appearance. The next one is Introduction to AI Ethics. Artificial intelligence, AI ethics, is a critical and rapidly evolving field that addresses the implications and challenges arising from the development and deployment of AI. As AI has become increasingly integrated into our daily lives, from the autonomous vehicles to the healthcare advancements. Here are some benefits of AI: automation, accuracy, 24/7 availability, and creative assistance. Automation. Here, the AI can repetitive tasks and help the humans to improve their tasks. And next one is the accuracy. AI is accurate in some tasks and can reduce the likelihood errors of humans. The next one is 24/7 availability. The chatbots and virtual assistants have the round clock customer support so that it is also considered as one of the advantages of AI. The next one is creative assistance. AI can aid the professionals by giving them some designs to the people like art, music, and etc. The next one is ethical principles in AI. Ethical principles in AI is nothing but the etiquettes which we are following in our classrooms. In AI, it guides the development of AI. The next one is common principles in AI: fairness, transparency, accountability, privacy, accessibility, and continuous monitoring and improvement. Fairness. Imagine that you're playing a game with your friends and there's a rule that says that everyone has equal opportunity. As like that, in AI, fairness says that everyone are equal. The next one is transparency. Transparency in AI means showing what the AI is doing. The next one is accountability. Accountability in AI refers to that someone is there for the AI system's decisions. The next one is privacy. The privacy in AI is very crucial because when someone gives your data, you should protect it in a secure manner. Like it can access the browsing data and their personal information. So it is important to keep all their data in a secure and responsible manner. The next one is accessibility. It is very crucial to check that the AI is accessible for everyone. The next one is continuous monitoring and improvement. It is important to continuously monitoring the AI systems so that they can improve their performance. The next one is bias and fairness in AI. Bias in AI refers to the prejudiced comments which is get from the AI. It is like making some mistakes which AI does. Then the bias in AI is categorized into three types. They are data bias, algorithmic bias, and user bias. AI can make mistakes in data bias when they're getting large amount of data. The next one is algorithmic bias. AI can make mistakes in algorithms when they are getting lot of algorithms. They'll be confusing in it and make some mistakes. The next one is user bias. In user bias, the AI can make mistakes when the user is giving some biased feedbacks. The next one is fairness in AI. As already I said, fairness in AI refers to everyone are treated equally. And here it is categorized into three types. They are individual fairness, group fairness, and equal opportunity. The next one is AI and privacy. Data collection and privacy, data security, algorithmic decision making, de-identification and re-identification. Data collection and privacy. It collects all the data and it keeps in a secured place. And next one is data security. It is very crucial to keep the data secured manner. The next one is algorithmic decision making. When the people are giving their account information, it is very crucial to keep safely. So that is known as algorithmic decision making. The next one is de-identification and re-identification. De-identification means decoding the information and re-identification means checking the information again and again. The next one is AI in healthcare. AI in healthcare making significant roles into the healthcare. Some doctors may use AI if they are having some queries, and AI can also give some decisions by seeing the MRI scans and X-rays. Applications in AI healthcare: disease diagnosis and medical imaging, predictive analytics and early disease detection, personalized medicine, virtual health assistants and chatbots, healthcare operations and administrative efficiency, natural language processing for medical records, remote patient monitoring, robotic surgery and assistance, medical research and clinical trials, fraud detection and healthcare security, and etc. AI and employment. AI and employment playing a significant impact on employment. It presents both opportunities and challenges. The impact of AI on employment is multi-phased. Effects can vary by industry and region. It increases the efficiency and drives economic growth. Effects on job market. Job displacement, job creation, task augmentation, skill shift, enhanced decision making, economic impact, and job quality. Ethical considerations, education and training, collaboration between humans and AI. Ethical AI development. The practice of creating artificial intelligence system to adhere the ethical principles, and also it prioritizes the responsible and accountable use. The next one is AI in education and ethical considerations. As we are all using the AI websites to solve our queries and doubts. So everyone are using AI for their educational purpose. Like we are having some websites, some educational websites like Byju's. Here the key aspects are personalized learning, data privacy and student data protection, bias and fairness, standardized testing and assessment, equity and accessibility. Personalized learning. Personalized learning is nothing but the student will be trained by a teacher individually. So that is called personalized learning. The next one is data privacy and student data protection. The student's data will be very crucial and it is important to protect the student's data. And next one is bias and fairness. Here in education, all the students should be treated fairly. The next one is standardized testing and assessment. The AI will first give you some tasks and check in which level are you. And next, it will continue to give the task based on your level. The next one is equity and accessibility. It is important to check that this AI software is applicable for everyone in this worldwide. The next one is teacher-student relationship and digital divide. Here, teacher-student relationship is nothing but the relationship between the teacher and the student, because the teacher is different, the student is different. They don't know about each other. So it is about the teacher-student relationship. The next one is digital divide. Here, for educational purposes, we are using some softwares. In our school, we use some websites like Altura and Matific. The next one is, as one of the fastest growing technologies in the world, AI is expected to have a market size of $270 billion by 2027. Now, I would like to conclude my topic by saying that artificial intelligence is a transformative technology that holds immense potential. As AI will also have some mistakes, but AI is very crucial. Thank you.